Hi guys, I have not uploaded videos for 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks because there was some problem in my cam and in my computer. So from today we are starting with CodePen.io, which is of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML. With HTML will help us to display the tags and the elements in the browser, and CSS is to style the HTML, and JavaScript is to make the code that thing. If I code it, you can understand. So come on, let us go into the video. So this is Kanishkar. Welcome to the programming way. First, you should open the new tab. Type CodePen.io. Okay. I have done many projects here. Today we are going to do our first one. So come on, let us start it. After you open your new project, first you open your CodePen.io. It will ask you for signing in. After you sign in, go to this corner and click on new pen. Okay. Then a page like this will open. Then type my first web page. Then in HTML, or to always open the HTML, okay, like this. I think you can see it. HTML, and you should write the end tag of HTML. There are two tags, keep this in the mind. HTML and another HTML. Okay, you should always save this. Save. It will reload the page, and if you did not save it, it will get lost. Even I've done a very big code, but it lost. So be careful with that. After HTML, head. Okay, head, and enter the end tag of head. Okay. Inside this head, and another tag which is known as the title tag. Okay. Yeah. The last value. Yeah. So what will this title do is, like if we do this, there is a new tab in the upright. So in the code of this, see title. The Google has done title new tab. Okay. Okay. Then I'll type my first web page. Done. Only this much in the head part. Now go to the body part. Body part will get displayed here. Okay. Body, end tag of the body. First, in this body, type H1. You know what is a H1? H1 gives H1 means you can use it for your very big names. If you give H4, it will be very small. Let us see it now. Let us type Kanishkar web page. See, it is getting displayed, right? But it is not very big. Okay, it is not very stylish. Okay. Now here you should you can type H3 and check. See, it's very small. Type H2. It will be like some. Okay. Then H6. H6 will be very small. For headings in the web page, you can take H1 now. After this H1, you have H2. Okay. In H2 you can type this is my first web page. Okay, after this one, H3. Okay, you should also do the same tag. Inside H3, what should you type? You can type my hobbies, and these are the it. And to style it, if there was many H1, if you style it, every H1 will get the same this, right? So inside this H1, type ID to the name. It can get, the H1 can get the name. Okay, so I'll type heading. Okay, yeah. Now I want to introduce another tag which is known as P tag. You know what is a P tag? It is known as the paragraph tag. It is only used to type the paragraph. Even small sentences are okay, but it will get the same style like a paragraph. Okay. I like to play cricket and do coding. Yeah. See here. See, this, it will be like this. Okay. Save it. Then that's it for this. Now go to the CSS. First, body. We should style the body, right? Body. Okay. Then do like this. Inside this one, you are going to write the style for body. Text align. Body means the whole thing will be text align. For is equal to, if not give is equal to, so give the colon and center after semicolon. See? Okay. Background color. So you can't give the background colors if there was many colors, right? So here click on the asset in the corner and go to colors here, and you can choose your favorite color. I'll take blue, and the hex code is copied, and you can paste it here. See, it's getting displayed. Then after body, we are going to style the H1, right? Heading, and you can style it. Background color. What can be the background color? I'll again paste it. 1 minute. So it can be the same. So I'll use the orange color here. And color blue. Okay. So here we have only one H1. So type H1 here. See. Okay. That's all for today, friends. From next video, we can continue it with the JS part. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like, share and subscribe.